In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on post view history on TikTok. So if you want to turn on this specific feature, I'll open up TikTok right now. Then what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. From your profile page, tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. From here, we want to tap on the privacy option, which is the second option right there. Now to do this, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find this new option here that says post views. Now, if you don't know what that is, it says allow people you follow to see that you viewed their post and see which followers viewed yours. Post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. Okay, so for you, the post view history will probably be off. To turn it on, you toggle it all the way to the right and then it goes green, and then you've enabled post view history on your TikTok account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.